Following detection of positive COVID-19 cases and high-risk contact in Jowai Petrol Pump Ladthalaboh, a resident of KNB Road, Yaumusiang Jowai, house owner Harbiansi Lamar, and due to recent high-risk and low-risk contact with the COVID-19 positive cases, vulnerable and affected areas require aggressive contact tracing, quarantine testing, and isolation, as well as containment in the interests of health of the general public against any possible spread of COVID-19. The District Magistrate, West Jaintia Hills District, has declared Jowai Petrol Pump Ladthalaboh, Jowai, and the entire building of Harbiansi Lamar, KNB Road, Yaumusiang, as containment area with effect from 5 a.m. of 6 September 2020 to 5 a.m. of 9th September 2020. Any violation of this order will entail prosecution under the Penal Provision of Disaster Management Act 2005 and IPC.